Hey guys, it's Andrew Murray here, and I've actually been using ShakePay. I really like this. What it is it's a really easy way for Canadians to buy and sell Bitcoin. It's also an easy way to off-ramp your crypto. So if you want to get it out of crypto and back into fiat currency, this is a great way to do it. Now, just talking about the fees here for a second, they have incoming fees. So if you e-transfer, it's free. Funds are available in minutes, and we're going to test that out now. Wire transfer, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So there are no fees. They do make a small commission on, here it is. They do make a small commission on the as a market maker in the difference between the buy and the sell rate. So overall, I've been pretty happy with ShakePay. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to convert your cryptocurrency back to fiat currency. So it's going to send me a two-step verification. So this is going to come to my phone, and I'm going to put that in. Okay, so you see I have some Bitcoin here. I also have some Canadian funds. So first what we're going to do is we're going to exchange some of the Bitcoin. So we're going to go from Bitcoin to Canadian dollars. And I'll just put in max for now, but I'm not going to do the max. I'm just going to do 0.045. Okay. So the rate right now is 13,000 Canadian. And I'm just going to confirm that and exchange that. Okay, so you might have heard a ding on my phone, and that's because it just says funds received. You've received Canadian $60.70. So that's already been done, and the transaction is right there. So now if you want to move it to fiat currency, you would go to send. And this is really easy. There's also a good add tab. You can add with e-transfer, which makes it really easy. But in this case, we're going to be sending it. So we're going to send an e-transfer, and we're going to send, let's say, $750. And I'm not going to put in, I'm just going to put a note there, and I'll click send. Okay. So what it's got here is confirm your transaction. Now it's going to take my email from ShakePay, and that's obviously the only one it's going to send it to. It's going to supply the security question and security answer for me to use. Okay, so you want to take a note of that and copy that information, and then click send. Now I just want to show you what time it is. Right now it's Thursday, February 13th at 11:58 a.m. So I'm going to click send. And that's been done. So we're gonna see how long it takes to actually get into my bank account. So here it is. It's been sent here. You can see that there. And then I'm gonna pick this video up once it's actually hit my bank account. And below this video, there'll be if you want to join ShakePay and get started with crypto, then there'll be a link there for you to do that. But this is a great way to off-ramp your crypto if you want to get it back into fiat currency. As a Canadian, highly recommended for that purpose. So the other nice thing about ShakePay is they send you these email confirmations. So for someone that's not going to be trading in and out of a lot of cryptocurrency, it makes it really easy to find this stuff in your email, what you've bought and sold, and what you've converted into cryptocurrency if you want to collect all that quickly at tax time. So you'll see it says we just sent $750 Canadian via e-transfer. So you'll see that it says we just sent $750 Canadian via e-transfer using ShakePay. The other thing is it shows you the conversions. So you're going to have a list in your email of all the different conversions that you've had, which is kind of nice as well. So you're gonna have a list of all your conversions. So you're gonna have a list of all your conversions as well, so you can easily figure out when you've bought and sold cryptocurrency. And you know, this is great for someone that's not a professional trader, but that just wants to get some cryptocurrency and start leveraging from it. Last thing about ShakePay is they're going to be developing roundups. So you're going to be able to have some roundups where you spend money and then you're automatically getting cryptocurrency. Okay, so you can see that it took just about half an hour. This is 12:31 right now and 12:30. So it took about half an hour to send this e-transfer, which isn't long at all, considering cryptocurrency. And basically you can do it in the app, type on settings to find the security answer if you have not copied it correctly. And that showed on the screen a little bit earlier. And because I've actually deposited it in RBC before, it's gonna pre-select that for me. So, and if you wanna do it without answering questions, you can sign up for auto deposit. But basically, this is really easy to do. You're just gonna go to your bank and accept the e-transfer. It's pretty simple. So deposit the e-transfer. It's gonna tell you again where to find it and the security answer right there. So I'm gonna paste in the security answer and then I will be able to accept this e-transfer. And it's gonna ask me which account I wanna put it in, and I will put it in that account and click submit. Boom. That is really all that it takes to do. It took just about less than half an hour to get that all confirmed and e-transferred and into my bank account. So if you want to try out ShakePay, guys, there'll be a link in the description. I highly recommend it. It's something that I just love the interface. I think everything just works really well with it, and the fees are very low. So it's great for Canadians, and particularly if you're confused of a way to off-ramp some of your crypto and get it back into fiat currency, Canadian dollars, ShakePay is a great way to do it. All right, so that's it, and we'll see you in the next video.